What's going on? It's your boy Mike Lowy, KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. Excuse me if I'm a little stuffy. I've been doing a lot of yard work, getting ready for the 4th here. We got a bunch of family coming over, so it's going to be awesome time. Super excited for that. So anyways, the market, right? Today was not really a good day to trade. I mean, there was decent little moves here and there. We caught a little bit on Meta, caught Nvidia. Nvidia was probably the nicest. Uh, we just caught this break and retest just up to here. I didn't even take it all the way up because of bearish divergence. I don't like that. If there's anything throwing me off and I'm in profits, I just lock in my profits. I know some people like to hold, but I've only made like $100 today, so it's not really like it's like a scratch day, right? But I did want to show you what happened on Meta. So look at this. So the initial entry, right? This was the initial entry, and it was all right. I mean, it wasn't bad. Right here, right, came up, and then we went negative. So we added, and then we came up, and then I just sold one there. So I was only two contracts, the three maybe. I didn't go heavy at all, and then we broke, sold one more, and then right like this all happened for 20 minutes, and then I just sold here, and it never went higher. So that's how when you got a feeling that's just not working, like it didn't break above my level and close strong, so there's no reason to hold it or add to it. Just that's when you work on your exit plan. It's like, all right, we're obviously not moving. I'm bouncing between green and red. Like, let me just try to get out green and wait for a better setup. Um, Spy, crazy, just going right. Um, let's see. Oh, Tesla. I missed my Tesla entry. I was kind of sad about this. But this was a beautiful morning star. So we had a huge jump because they reported it wasn't as bad as they thought. So it was good news. Accelerated growth backed by autonomy robotics, Webush says. Yeah, so uh, let's see. Rivian. Yeah, Tesla stock bounces back after EV deliveries weren't as bad as feared. That's crazy. uh, so yeah. So anyways, um, that's why we had this huge jump. Beautiful retrace, morning star, reversal pattern, take it back up to previous liquidity, right? So that was pretty much the trade of the day, and whatever, it is what it is. QQQ. QQQ. Bounced off support pre-market, came up, could have grabbed that flag and rode it up to 548. But this is all pre-market level, right? This is like all within pre-market range. So I don't really like that, especially when pre-market makes a big move. It usually just, it doesn't respect anything really if you're inside of those ranges. So I just wait for it. Um, no, AMD was that AMD was a really good one too. AMD just opened, went off. My alert went off like 5 times, so I just turned it off instead of looking at it when I should have just looked at it. So, lesson learned there. But yeah, guys, that's really all for today. It's a short day. It's a short week. You got to know when not to trade, right? Like if you know that we have a short week, we got 4th of July, we have Powell speaking on Tuesday and on Thursday, we got unemployment on Wednesday. Like, dude, there's just so much news that came out this week, along with it being a short week. So you guys have to keep that in mind when you're trading. And it's like it may only be $100. It may only be $100 day. You may you may catch a good move and smack 200, whatever, 500. But like, some days I've only made $50. If that's all I get, that's all I get. I do get FOMO as well sometimes, but I'd rather sit there and watch it go, without me than the wrong direction, or blowing an account. Like, it's all about risk management. You could literally miss half of your trades and still be profitable. So keep that in mind when you guys go to trade. All right, it's your boy Mike Lowry. We out.